Still settling for factory speakers? It's time to hear what you've been missing. Today we're checking out the Pioneer TS-A6961F A-Series 6x9-inch 4-way coaxial speakers, an upgrade built for drivers who want louder, cleaner, and more detailed sound. With 90 watts RMS and 450 watts peak power, these speakers are designed to handle your music with confidence, whether you're cruising through the city or turning up the volume on the highway. What makes these speakers stand out is the 4-way coaxial design. By combining a woofer, dedicated mid-range drivers, and high-frequency tweeters into one speaker, they deliver a balanced sound with deeper bass, clearer vocals, and crisp highs. Every instrument and every lyric comes through with greater clarity than factory speakers. Installation is just as impressive. The included 6x9 adapters and built-in crossovers make upgrading your factory system simple, while the adjustable mounting tabs allow the speakers to fit a variety of vehicles with minimal hassle. Whether you're running a factory head unit or an aftermarket stereo, the Pioneer TS-A6961F is engineered to bring your music to life with the powerful dynamic sound Pioneer is known for. If you're ready to transform your daily drive with premium audio performance, the Pioneer TS-A6961F A-Series is the upgrade you've been waiting for. Get yours today at onlinecarstereo.com.